My name is Hakan Safak, International Marketing and Sales Director for MKE. MKE is a state-owned company, belongs to Ministry of Defense, and we mainly do produce conventional arms and ammunition. We have more than 470 products, and we export more than 100 countries. We have a long-term, huge experience in terms of the production. But after structural change, now we are like a private company, acting like a private company, and we are developing our new products based on the demands of the markets. And now we are presenting here our 105mm Boran howitzer. This howitzer is in the service of Turkish Army, and we exported to foreign countries, and many negotiations are on the table. Also for these countries' needs, we participate in the tender, and we are waiting the evaluation results. Together with that, we present our ammunition and weapons, different types of weapons of this show. And also we have our latest developments, new products, Tolga, short-range air defense system against the drone attacks. We performed live firing demonstration together with the participation of foreign delegations in Turkey. Now it's in the serial production. We will provide the Turkish Army, and we will export these products to any other countries. This system is very important system. This meets the needs of current requirements of the world. There are many anti-drone systems, they are based on the soft kill versions, but our system, because of our huge experience in terms of the production of weapon and ammunition, includes hard kill for different calibers. We can shoot the drones with special designed ammunition, fragmented ammunition for 12.7mm, 20mm, and 35mm special design. And our policy is to be efficient, cost-effective, and simple. This system can detect to 10 kilometer range against the threats, And after that, from 10 kilometers to 3 kilometers, jamming is effective against the threats. But if the threat is past this soft kill, so we added with our turrets, can be controlled by command control system automatically. So one command and control system can control 6 weapon systems at the same time. These weapon systems can be stable or can be mobile on the trucks or different vehicles. We can also integrate this system to our customers' existing systems, such as radar, jammer. So we are open of this kind of collaboration on this system. This system, light-towed air-transportable howitzer. It's weight around 1.8 tons, and based on our ammunition, we have 2 types of ammunition. One is standard range, you can fire up to 11 kilometers, and with the extended range ammunition, you can fire up to 18 kilometers. With this system, you can carry this by helicopter, and you can also tow this by 4x4 vehicles. It's a very effective. Deployment time is very less and very effective. In one of our demonstration scenario, we fired 12 rounds in 40 seconds with this system. And also we have here kamikaze unmanned surface vehicle PIRANA. Again, interested products all around the world. It can be controlled by satellite, by unmanned aerial vehicles, and by land, and also by the vessel. This is also well interested, and we started to present other countries for this kind of systems. And we are the main producer of warheads and diffusers. So for all kind of these systems and also drones, we are filling the explosives, and we are integrating this kind of systems for the needs of customers. And we are open to collaborate any customers for the production of this system in-house. So they can produce the vessel, and we can also integrate our warheads and also our systems, electronic systems and command and control system on it.